the act was over, folks. Truth is, our heavy man, Mr. Schultz, was he was took sick.
Oh.
Yeah. Rubberface, take the curtain up. Folks, just before Mr. Schultz was took with that attack, he and the parson was just on the verge of going into the most sensational hand-to-hand struggle to the death ever seen on stage. When Egbert saw the parson coming in, he should have said, "Oh, I'm glad you come when you did." And with that, he calls off and hits the parson. Oh, but the parson, knowing a thing or two, comes right back. And Egbert gets something he ain't looking for. "Take that, you cur!" And down he goes. Egbert, seeing as how he ain't gonna win the fight by fair means, grabs the parson around the waist and backheels him. Let go, you dog! In the meantime, poor Lucy is down on her knees, begging for her beloved. Now, in the big dramatic moment, folks, Egbert, the low-down skunk, reaches for his pockets and pulls out a monkey wrench. And it hits the person, and the person groans, reels, and falls. He's about to beat the person's brains out when Lucy cries, "Do with me what you will, but spare my inhabitant!" As if Providence had heard her prayers. Right at that moment, the door swings open. And in comes Nurse Erin Foster, Sister Emmy, ready to right the wrong she had done, poor Lucy. She stands flabbergasted. Oh my God! What is this awful happening? Quick as lightning, Emmy looking on the prostrate form of Hamilton, and the weeping figure of a heartbroken sister, a begging Egbert to spare the parson. She grabs up the water pitcher and cries out, "The wages of sin